Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 129, that is sum root to leaf numbers, and in this we'll be given a root of binary tree containing digits from 0 to 9 only, and each root to leaf path in the tree represents a number. For example, the root to leaf path of 1 to 3 represents the number 123, 123 basically. Okay, like if the path is from 1 then to 2 then 2 to 3, so it represents the number 1 to 3, and we have to return the total sum of all root to leaf numbers, and test cases are generated so that it fits 32-bit. And a leaf node is a node with no children. For example, 2 and 3 are the leaf node, but in this case, like let's say 5 is a leaf node, 1 is a leaf node, and if let's say 9 was not having like a right child, we will not consider 9 a leaf node because it's still having a left child. Okay, and leaf node is basically node with no children, is a node with no children. Okay, so we need to do is like from 1 2 this means 12, then 1 3 means 13, so we need to sum and we'll be returning 25. In the next case, we are having 495 will be one number, 491 will be another number, and 40 will be another number. Okay, so our total sum comes out to be 1026. Okay, so for this, let's just quickly write a recursive code, and let's have initial variable answer which is declared globally, and here I'll be writing the find sum function that will be in this will be passing the root and the current sum, and at the end we'll just return sum. Okay, now we'll do private void, this will be a void method sum. In this will be taking two parameters as root and my current sum. Okay, so first base condition that if my root is equal to null, I'll be performing nothing. I'll be just returning out of the loop, out of the recursion, and then I'll be checking that if my current current node is a leaf node, that means root dot left is equal to null, and my root dot right is also equal to null. Okay, in this case, what I have to do, I have to increment in the answer. I have to add answer is equal to current into 10, because we know that we can form a number like in this way only, like 4 into 10, that will be 40, and then 49, then 49 into 10 plus 5 will be 495. Okay, plus root dot val, and then here I'll just return. Okay, or else what I have to do is I have to call the find sum function for the left node, that is root dot left, and in this I'll be passing current into 10 plus the root dot value, root dot val. Similarly, I need to do this for the right child also. Okay, let's just go to the right child and root dot right. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, cannot find sum, it's answer basically, answer. Now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.